Hello guys! What's up? Sa another video natin. Siyempre maglalaro tayo ng Grow Garden. At ang goal natin yun ay alam niyo na. Alam niyo na. Siyempre makakuha ng 1 trillion pala. 1 trillion. Okay, okay. Dito tayo dito. And siyempre English mode tayo. Yes sir, we're back here in Grow Garden. Next one. Cycles again, cycles. I played this before. And I know what I buy, okay, waiting for fruits, let's go. What else? Episode 1. Okay. Waiting some fruits. Sell it. Sir. How much? 150. Oh my god, W some she's not some, she's Steve. So Steve not some. I'm cook. What is this? Clover string light. Trill activity. What? Lucky? I don't understand. Ooh. Some is remove gun. Let's go. I'm buying some carrots. Is W. Okay. Plant all of fruits and carrots in there. Oh my god. Bro. W. Carrot. Bro. W carrot. Bro. W carrot in the chat. Carrot is the best. Bro, chat in there, bro. Carrot is the best. Oh my god, carrot is the best. Okay, correct that. I think so many carrots in there. Oh. It's my home. It's my home, bro. W carrot. Suppose again. Stop the speed. Say you want to send your inventory. 400. W in chat, please. Buy some strawberry. Plant in the platform. Oh, I got 180. Lucky. I'm waiting for crops to grow. Let me see my neighbors. Let me see my neighbor's garden. Wow! She got the strawberry, man. Dad. Look. Oh my god, double garden. Double garden. My neighbor's got egg. What the heck? Some does not change, okay? Okay, strawberry and skip up. Okay. Collect some crops. Send to Steve. Inventory. And yes sir. I got a lot of money of you. Thanks bro. 400 man. You're brokey. You don't have that. Take them masa. Take my hand. Take my hand. No one is to say my heart. Take my leg. Take my okay guys, okay. Cycles yan to guys. Cycles. Because the cycle is you plant. No? You plant, you sell, and you buy. Paldo guys. Okay, cycles, okay, cycles. Oh, things. Bro, I just collect my carrot. Bro, my carrot is my home, bro. What the heck? It's two. It's double of my size. Bro, I'm cooked, man. Oh my god, but it's okay. It's alright. Oh my god, 1,000. Dapat yun, isa. May may isang potato. Some, ayun to. There's the potato in here. Collect some fruit, like strawberry. Let's collect that. Talk to Steve. Send the inventory. Yes, sir. Talk to Sam. What? Talk to Sam. Get the blueberry seed. Go to garden. Plant the blueberry. Collect some strawberry. Sell it in Steam. 132. Talk to Sam and buy some. Buy some 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Palo. Okay. Buy some carrot seed. Buy some strawberry seed. Strawberry seed. Plant in strawberry seed. Plant the strawberry seed. Plus the carrot seed. Okay. And collect some fruits like strawberry. Collect some carrot. Send to Steve. Change 700. You're cool. Some blueberry seed. Plant the blueberry seed. Plant the strawberry seed. Collect some strawberry seed. Okay. Collect some strawberry seed. What the hell is that, bro? Okay. Sell to Steve. Bro, that's cycle. But my goal is trillion. Bro, I'm not even trillion, bro. Oh my god. Alien apple. Bro. I'm good. Alien carrot. I mean alien apple. Bro, wow. Wow, beautiful. Rainbow event, what's that? Oh my god, 1 hour. Dang it. I don't, because I'm lagging, okay, I want the garden game, shiny, what to, okay, sell, in the Steam, sell my inventory, 1k, woo. And now I'm 1k, I'm 1k, I'm 1k now. One thing. Next one. Oh, look. Hell no. Sheesh. Dr. Steve. Send my inventory. And 600. W. Bro, my god. I need much of money for tomato. Send. Minus One key, one key. Very good. Next stock. Like what the heck? I just plugged in here. In the room. There we go. What the heck? Box. Please give me that. Please give me that, please. Please. I'm homeless. I'm kinda homeless, please. She's lagging all my. She's lagging all my card. Please make the for favoriting. Favoriting. What? There's some strawberry. The blueberry is so hard to get. My god. Okay. And then inventory. 1K. Woo! W. Cycles. Wow, what time? Bro, what time now? And the intro. Goodbye guys. See you to episode 2. And episode 2 and we're 1000 in challenge to get 1 trillion in grow a garden. Guys, what time? Bye bye.